Hello boys and girls, today we are going to solve some trigonometric sums from the exercise. This is question number 6 and from this question number 7 is going on. The question is in front of your screen, correct? And now the first step in the question is to observe the question properly, right? Because without observing the question you are not able to make your action plan, right? Presently over here in front of me we have sec A plus tan A in the LHS, and in the RHS we have cos A and sin A. So our very first step in the action plan to bring sin and cos on the LHS. Once sin and cos are brought in the LHS, second step will be utilized by us will be utilizing the conjugate. Okay, so as our action plan is ready, let's move on with the LHS first of all. Here LHS is in front of you. Let's begin with it. Now we know that sec A can be written as 1 upon cos A and tan A can be written as sin A upon cos A, correct? So our first step of the action plan is done, which is that to convert LHS into sin and cos. Now if you observe, both the denominators have cos A and that cos A can be written as a common denominator for both of them, right? Now just check the RHS we need to prove. There we have cos A in the numerator and 1 minus sin A in the denominator, means which is exactly opposite of what we got just now, right? So to fill the gap between this, to bring the cos A in the numerator, what we have to do, we need conjugate of the numerator that will be multiplied by numerator and the denominator both, and the coming answer will definitely lead us to the RHS, that is the what we need to prove, correct? So here the conjugate of 1 plus sin A, that is the numerator, is nothing but 1 minus sin A, right? So we will multiply that bracket in the numerator and the denominator both, right? Now if you observe the numerator that is in front of you, we can say it is nothing but A plus B and A minus B. That results in 1 square minus sin square A in the numerator, correct? And in the denominator no term will be changed, and as it is copied down. And now again you observe the numerator there, it is nothing but the turned identity. Our first identity, do you remember? Sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1, and here it is turned 1, so I can replace this 1 minus sin square A with cos square A. Isn't it right, my dears? Yes. And the denominator will remain unchanged. And this is very special moment, boys and girls, because we are gonna get my answer after this step. And exactly what we are gonna do, you know that we will be cancelling above numerator and the cos A down, and this moment we call as aha moment, because we are just almost to get our answer. See ya. So cos A in the denominator and cos A in the numerator can be cancelled out, but in the numerator, as it is a square one, we will be left with 1 cos in the numerator, and that is what we needed, correct? Isn't it, guys? And voila, we got the RHS.